Alright, doing a graph example. We have our coordinates over here that I've rewritten so I could label them a little better. So with that said, let's go x1, y1, x2, y2, and while we're here off to the side, I am going to label them. So that is 6, x2 is -3, f, we said it was halfway, so 1/2. Y2 was 9 and y1 is equal to 3. If you want to graph our points, we would say that C was 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 3. So around there was point C, and then point D was -3, so 1, 2, 3, and then 9, which should be around right there. So that is D and that is C. And we want to find point A, which is located halfway. So let's go ahead and replace our values. There's the parentheses right there. So we say x1 was 6 plus our fraction. That's supposed to be a plus. So plus our fraction, which was 1/2. Then x2, which was -3, minus x1, which was 6. So we're working right to left. Let's drop down 6, the plus, and the 1/2. -3 minus 6 will give us a, so a has 3, 9, right? That would be a -9. Let's drop everything down. Actually, not that, because we are working right to left. So 1/2 times -9. So in our calculators, we will put parentheses 1/2, close parentheses, times -9, and that will give us -4.5, which if we add 6 would give us 1.5. So YP, again, the same thing, except the substitutions are not X, they are Y. So Y1 plus our fraction times Y2 minus Y1. So if we replace those, Y1 should give us 3 plus our fraction, which we said was 1/2. Y2, which is 9, minus Y1, which is 3. So if we're working right to left, our first step would be to drop everything down. 9 minus 3 will give us 6, which we then have to multiply by 1 divided by 2. So we drop this down. This is also 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, and so that would be our YP. So our answer would be DP is 1.56. And if we kind of go over here, we would say that's 1/2. So 1 and then a little bit more, and then 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So around right there would be point A, and that kind of does look like halfway between those 2 points. All right, let's do number 2 with our partners, and the rest of that sheet, front and back, will be due tomorrow for homework.